in my village. Essay, my village. My village is Amlimut. It is situated in district Okara. It is 6 kilometers from Nepal. Its population is about 3,000. My village is very It is free from the dust, noise and smoke. It is close to nature. There are lush green fields and groves of shady trees. A canal flows near my village. It supplies water to the fields. Most of the people are farmers. They work in their fields. My village has rich soil. It produces wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane and potatoes. My village has electricity. There is a dispensary in my village. My village has a bank. There are high schools for boys and girls. There are 2 mosques. People of my village are religious minded. They lead a simple and hard life. I am proud of my village. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.